Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering up and prepping both devices. Turn the hoverboard on and listen for the boot tone. A steady LED means the module is ready. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it within 3 meters to minimize pairing errors. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth list and make the hoverboard discoverable by holding the power button if required. This immediate, focused start avoids delays and gets you into pairing mode fast so you can proceed. You now pair the devices. Pick the hoverboard entry in your phone's Bluetooth list and tap it. If a PIN appears, try common defaults like 0000 or 1234. Many hoverboards use those for initial pairing. Make sure your phone shows connected, and then play a short audio file to verify the speaker works. If audio routes incorrectly, stop playback and reselect the hoverboard as the audio device. This step-by-step ensures stable connection and confirms the speaker is functional before you ride. You finish by testing controls and securing the connection. Adjust volume, skip tracks, and confirm audio stays synced while you stand nearby. Once satisfied, power cycle the hoverboard to ensure settings persist. If things go wrong, forget the hoverboard in your phone's Bluetooth settings and repeat pairing. That clears stale profiles. As a final resort, perform the hoverboard's Bluetooth factory reset or full reset per the manual, then pair again. This solves most stubborn pairing problems and gets you ready to ride with music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.